Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're going to talk about renewable power. Let's face it, this holiday season there's going to be a lot of gadgets that require batteries. And today we're taking a look at Pale Blue's rechargeable batteries. We're talking about batteries that can be recharged 1,000 times. And one pack of these is going to save over 4,000 batteries in a very short time. Let's check them out. Now, let's face it, this holiday, you're going to be purchasing some type of gadget that's going to require batteries. But instead of purchasing batteries that are disposable and just go into some landfill, why not do something that is more energy efficient and something that is cleaner for the environment? So we're taking a look at these batteries from Pale Blue. They can be charged 1,000 times. 1,000 times. And you can see here, they all charge via USB. They charge in 2 hours, and unlike traditional batteries, these are lithium polymer batteries that are going to have a consistent power output. So if you had a flashlight and you know how the light dims and then it goes, or you have a robot that starts moving and then all of a sudden they start going really, really slow and dies, these are going to give you consistent power output, and then they're going to end. So a very different experience, and which means you're going to have more consistent power usage throughout the battery till the very end. Now, they come in a variety of formats, but before we do this, let me show you what they look like when they're charging. So here I have these charging, and you can see how they're all charging. And the LED went from red to green, which indicates that they've all charged. And we have a variety of styles. So like, for example, if you purchase a Nerf gun, this is your micro USB charging port area here. You also have, like we had, AA, AAA. We also then have some other battery types here that you find maybe in a smoke detector in your house or some type of garage door remote. It also has USB charging there, micro USB. And again, these are going to give you the ability to really recharge multiple times, have fast battery usage. They're going to take a long time to discharge, 2 hours to charge, and you're going to eliminate all those disposable batteries. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Pale Blue rechargeable batteries.